Good morning to all. Today I want to talk about a very important device for patient care, the glucose meter, and how our innovation can make it more effective in hospitals.
We identify a problem in hospital that sometimes there is delayed changing drip bottle, which led to consequence given below. Backflow blood again into glucose bottle led to serve pain in patient. Many times there is serve risk of air entering of blood vessels, delay in changing drip bottles. Bottle called I can't led to heart attack. As nurses in hospitals have many responsibility and continuous monitoring of drip bottle become challenging in hectic schedules, thus led to delayed in changing drip bottle, prevent consequences due to above identified problem and automation. Low cost of system in tried in this project. These the glucose level indicator is used in hospital. It win-win situations for both hospitals, staff and patient, and there is no need to worry all the damn time to manually monitor the drip bottle. Objective of this project is first objective to achieve a low cost and safe interface drip monitoring system to provide and reduce continuous monitoring for nurse and observer drip bottle to prevent backflow of blood into glucose drip bottle, which can lead to serve pain and entry of air into blood vessels, also heart attack.
The components we used in this project are this drip stand, glucose bottle, spring, switch, battery, LED bulb, and buzzer. So how this works is when the glucose bottle is filled with glucose, the spring stretches out and the circuit is incomplete. When the glucose is low on level, the circuit will be completed and the buzzer will beep. This way, the nurses and the staff of hospital will be notified when the glucose bottle is empty.